The course is designed according to a hybrid teaching model. At designated time slots, there are two options. Either come to the classroom or follow Zoom transmission. Please contact the instructor if geographical restrictions prevent you from attending class at designated time slots. Best efforts are made to ensure good quality teaching regardless of where your study place is and in which time zone you live. All course material will be made available on Canvas. There is mandatory homework in pt1. The Python MATLAB project is due September 30th, and you will not be registered to take the final exam without completing this assignment. Each of the 5 problem sets is due after 1 week. You are allowed 1 failed submission, but you will not be registered for the final exam for 2 or more failed submissions. Please contact the instructor if you are sick and need to postpone a homework submission. All PowerPoint presentations are recorded with voiceover, and MP4 files are linked on Canvas. All other material is posted on Canvas. The course is split into 2 parts. 1. Well completion theory and applications. 2. Well intervention theory and applications. In the hybrid teaching model implemented at the Institute of Energy and Petroleum Engineering, the term classroom means both physical and digital meeting arenas. There will be students in class on campus, max 20, and there will be students attending Zoom conference. There is a mix of teaching forms used in class, including read document on your own, video, voice over PowerPoint, problem solving in breakout room with chat message, document camera problem solving, and also miscellaneous videos picked from YouTube. Student self-study elements include, but not limited to, solve mandatory homework assignments, study 1 chapter per week in the textbook. Well completions. We define 3 different well completions for a single well: upper, middle, and lower completions. We look at the upper completions for 2 well types in the oil and gas industry, which are the injector and the producer. Both are equally important in the North Sea. The upper completion is tubing that is fixed between the tubing hanger on top and production packer on bottom. We also look at the geothermal well, where the production tubing is cemented from top to bottom. The middle completion is located between the production packer and the reservoir. In the middle completion, we install mechanical devices to isolate the reservoir from the atmosphere. During well construction, we may utilize a plug installed inside the production casing or a valve installed inside the reservoir liner. During well work at later stage, it may be required to install a bridge plug in the tailpipe below the production packer. In pt690, we look at three common lower completions offshore Norway: cased and perforated, standalone screens, open hole gravel pack. Well intervention. Well intervention on platform wells is in focus for pt690. Much of the knowledge, skills and competency learned for wells on dry Christmas tree are directly applicable for subsea wells. All four well intervention methods shown are generally applicable on platform wells. For subsea wells, we consider two types of vessels. From the first vessel type, RLWI, we run wireline in open seas and we have pumping capability also. The second vessel type, IMR, is used for pump operations and for lifting subsea Christmas tree. Coiled tubing in open seas is currently not used for intervention in live subsea wells in the North Sea. Although recent successful subsea pilot hole drilling at Rogfast Road project and at Butch Field with open water coiled tubing drilling looked very promising in terms of new technology.